Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to set password on laptop either on Windows 11 or 10. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, just open your settings by hitting right click on the start button, and now we need to click on accounts. Here we need to scroll a bit and find the option for sign in options. And once you are in the sign in option, you will get to see that there is no option for password because we have set this option as turn on, and which we need to turn off. But make sure this is the option which we need to turn off. Now let me turn off this. Now close this window, and we again have to open the settings. We again have to go to accounts and open that function, and now this time you are going to see the option for password as you can see here, and just click on this little arrow right here, and yeah, there you go, we have the option for set a password. Now hit on change, and it is possible that instead of change you will get the option for add. You can just click there as well, and now here I just need to enter my pin, and yeah, there you go, we have the option for change password, or you will get to see the option for add password. So here you can just set your password for your laptop or PC. So yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can set your password. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.